my recent trip to Hawaii inspired me to prepare this delicious recipe. Nag-food truck hunting po kami doon. So, abangan nyo yung ating full Hawaii food trip vlog coming soon. And isa sa mga talagang nagustuhan ko, na napawawa ko, is this pineapple shrimp. This is inspired by, of course, yung mga local ingredients that you can find in Hawaii and with Korean flavors. So, subukan natin ngayon lutuin or gayahin itong pineapple shrimps. So first, magsimula muna tayo sa base. Super duper easy gawin. Pinapainit ko na tong mantika dito sa aking all-purpose pot. And I have here peeled shrimps. Iwan mo lang yung buntot and tanggalin mo lang yung kanyang veins. Okay? So lagay mo lang dyan sa bowl mo. And I'm going to season this with some salt. Season it with some salt. Lemon juice or calamansi juice. I put a piece of egg and some potato starch. Lagay mo dyan yung potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, you can use cassava starch. Pwede din ang corn starch. Okay? Once it's coated like this, medyo dahan-dahan ka lang kasi yung buntot ng hipon medyo matalas. Pag coated na siyang ganyan, ilulubog mo na yan isa-isa dito sa iyong potato starch. Meron pa ako isang potato starch dito. Gagawa muna ako ng mga 8 pieces. O, ready na ba yung mantika ko? Lalakasan ko lang ng konti. Going to prepare around 8 pieces. Kung hindi ka naman mahilig sa shrimps, you can always use chicken. Pero sa Hawaii kasi, madaming shrimp farm. Kaya talagang ang dami-dami nilang mga dishes na gamit ay shrimps. Ayan. So, mainit na. Janet Jackson na yung mantika natin. I think I'm ready to fry this. Okay. Di pa pala, sorry. Nakasama yung apoy. Ay, ayan, iwan mo na muna yung isang pirasong yan dyan. Konting init pa, maghuhugas muna ako ng kamay. Okay, yan, mukhang mainit na. Paisa-isa lang ang lagay. Para hindi lumamig yung mantika. Okay. And then, ito naman ang ibe-bread ko. Very nice! So, konti pa. Ipiprito muna natin lahat ng shrimps before we prepare the sauce. So, pag naririnig mo yung mantika na medyo nagiging peaceful na, ibig sabihin yan, almost ready na yung iyong shrimps. Pwede na natin hanguin. Nice and crisp. And then, let's fry the second batch. Pag nilagay mong ganyan, huwag mo munang bulabugin para medyo nagfo-form ng crust. Hindi mahubad yung breading. Okay, so ayan, naprito na natin yung ating shrimps. They're nice and crisp. Now, let's prepare the delicious pineapple sauce. So ito, I tested this siguro pang-4 na beses ko na itong gagawin ngayon kasi tinest ko siya ng maraming beses. Gustong-gusto kong makuha yung lasa nung nakain namin sa Hawaii. And feeling ko naman medyo successful. Pero kayo na lang din ang humusga. It's super yum. Perfect din siya for fried chicken. So first, I have here crushed pineapples. Approximately 2 cans. 2 small cans na crushed pineapples. I-blender ko. Kasama ng honey. I have here honey. Make sure you use pure honey. Maraming honey na hindi pure. Ang ginagawa sa honey na hindi pure, iniiwan, charis. So you pour it in there. Kasi yung iba, ito talaga honey. Yung iba kasi, di ba, asukal na parang tinutunaw nila. And this is Korean red chili paste or gochujang. So kalahati lang muna yung ilalagay ko. Kasi baka ayaw no iba ng super anghang. I just put half. And then, i-blender ko. Okay. Smells so good. And then, ibuhos mo dyan sa iyong wok. Papalaputin natin yan. Okay, so I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then, I have here some slurry. This is just cornstarch diluted in water. Pampalapot lalo. Pero actually, ito kung matyaga ka, you can reduce it. I want to taste it to see if I need to adjust the seasoning. You can add soy sauce, even patis. Good. Pero medyo matabang. A little bit of salt. Of course, you can use fresh pineapples. I-blender mo na lang yung fresh pineapples. Ay, naku, ang sarap. I'm going to bring this to a boil for around 5 minutes before I put the slurry. Para lang mas mag-develop yung flavor. Okay, and now I'm going to put the slurry. Lagyan mo muna ng konti. You want it thick enough na makukot niya yung shrimps. Okay, this looks good to me. But this sauce, dinagdagan ko talaga siya para meron ako on the side. So, babawasan ko siya ng konti. Okay, bawasan mo ng konti. And then here, I'm going to toss my shrimps. I'll finish this with a splash of sesame oil. Okay? Turn off the flame and put a good splash of sesame oil. Oh, that's it! I controlled myself! Hindi ako masyadong naglagay ng sesame oil. Now, let's taste this. Okay, bago ko tikman, garnish siya ng konting spring onions para colorful. And then, kailangan to may rice. Kaya may kanin ako dito. And, kailangan kasi siya bagong luto. Kaya po, hindi ko na pinlate-plate. Tingnan mo yung kulay ng sauce niya o pag nilagay mo dun sa rice. It's reddish, yellowish. Talagang we used real pineapples, but in can. Pwede ka ding gumamit talaga ng fresh. So, titikman ko muna. Yung rice muna with the sauce. Ito talaga yun. Ito talaga yung ganito yung lasa niya. And now the shrimp. I remember nung kinain ko yon, yung para bang cocktail food na kinakamay mong ganyan, oh. So good. Since the shrimp is perfectly breaded, kumakapit talaga yung flavors ng pineapple sauce. What are you waiting for? Have a taste of Hawaii. Gumawa ka na nitong bonggang-bonggang pineapple shrimps. And remember, abangan ang Hawaii food trip vlog. See you soon!